Want to fix the 401 authorization required error in Hostinger? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with others. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Once logged in, go to the Websites and then Websites List button in your account. In the next page, click on Dashboard attached to the site you want to work on. In that page, click on Websites button in the new menu panel again, and click on Error Pages. Here, you'll see a list of error codes like 400, 401, 403, etc. The 401 error code means authorization required and can cause issues with loading your site. To fix it, click on Reset and a confirmation pop-up will appear. Confirm the action, and Hostinger will reset the error settings. That's it. Your 401 authorization required error should now be fixed. Want to get the best deals on Hostinger? Use my affiliate link in the description for exclusive discounts. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.